Hello and welcome to 𝐦𝐨𝐤, the channel where we talk about multiplying your income and business growth. So it's mainly a place for entrepreneurs. Anyway, today's video we'll be talking about passive income and what you should really know about passive income. Now, I haven't actually revised today's video because I only came home a while ago, I think 13 minutes ago. So I have my notes ready from the previous day, and I'll just be reading my notes, and hopefully I won't have to do a lot of editing. Anyway, let's jump into this video. So the 9 things that you should know about passive income, things that people aren't really talking to you about passive income. All they really tell you about passive income is its glory and its beauty and how nice it is. And when you hear the word passive income, you're thinking sitting on a beach, drinking your margarita, having people bring you your margarita wearing bikinis. But that's not the truth about passive income. I hope it doesn't echo a lot. I had to do this here instead of where I normally do it because, well, where I normally do it is too dark, and I use natural light instead of a ring light. But anyway, let's jump to this video. So first tip that you should know about passive income is that the word passive implies you want something for nothing. That's normally the average poor person's mentality on passive income, because the thing about passive income is that there's nothing really passive about it. You gotta put in the work to be able to have it even be called passive income. And I'd rather you call it residual income or leveraged income instead of passive income, but we'll talk about that as the video goes on. So number 1, there's nothing passive about passive income, because the word passive implies you want something for nothing, and this world is a give and take world, not a take and take world. Tip number 2. How many of the most successful people in the world created money passively? I mean, you think about the likes of Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jack Ma. All these people had to actively make their income. Their income was active. It was not passive. It was also leveraged income because they had to put in the work. I mean, Jack Ma had to find investors to invest in his business, and he had to also put in the work required to have his business and start to even call it passive income. And it still needed to run, like someone still needed to manage the business to ensure that the business remained profitable. The marketing of the business had to be done, the building of the websites and of the warehouses. All these things had to take place and still take place in order for it to be passive income. And once again, it's not passive income, it is active income or leveraged income. But we'll talk about leveraged income right now. Number 3 is leveraged income. How to leverage other people and systems, because in order to even have leveraged income, you need to either have other people working in your business so that you don't have to work in your business, and systems. You need to also leverage systems so that you don't have to be in your business every single day working. So you could leverage marketing flows, marketing systems, as in like email marketing, SMS marketing, push notifications, anything that does like follow-ups and follow-backs to turn your leads into customers. Those would be systems such as your funnels, your lead pages, your sales funnels, your websites, your virtual assistances. That would be leveraging other people, along with leveraging other people's money in order to exponentially grow your business. Dan Pena calls that the QLA, Quantum Leap Advantage. If you haven't read Dan Pena's book, I really loved his book, Your First 100 Million. That's the name of the book, Your First 100 Million. I'm pretty sure you can get it on Amazon. I'm not gonna have a link down below to get it. I just think you should get it yourself, man. Nothing comes easy in this world, and you gotta get what you want yourself. Nobody's gonna give it to you. I was saying that in my previous video a while back. But number 4 is, I was actually talking about a portion of number 4 at the beginning when I said some people have a job mentality, a poor person's mentality. And the thing about that is that a job mentality, a poor person's mentality, is when you think that you can create wealth from nothing and you can get nothing in return, but you didn't even put anything to begin with. You know, they say you need money to make money, and it's true. You don't necessarily need your own money to make money, but you still need money to make money, or a whole lot of time. Because if you don't have money, you have time. There's nothing passive about passive income. And I'm trying to drill that into your head so you never use the word passive income again. And number 2, the second type of person there is, because there are 2 types of people: a person with a job mentality and a person with a business mentality. A person who understands that there's no such thing as free, and there's no such thing as getting something for free. You gotta put in the work. And that a person who believes that, who understands that there's no such thing as free, and you gotta work, actively work for your income, then a person like that is trying to create meaningful success, not some ordinary, mindless thing that they see on YouTube and try to reenact, hoping that it'll be the next big thing that'll turn their $0 a month life into $100,000 a month life by sitting at home and doing nothing. That is a lie. And I hope people watching this right now, I hope you specifically watching this right now understands that that is impossible. You know, there's no such thing as effortless success, only meaningful success. Because if you don't put in the effort, I'll tell you what, someone out there in the world right now is trying to turn your dreams into a reality for themselves, because they're putting in more effort than you. Number 5, passive income isn't always passive. I didn't even need to look at my laptop to even know that that was number 5, because I've been drilling it into your mind right now, and I really want you to understand that there's nothing passive about passive income. If you want to tell me, hey, Bongi, real estate is passive income, well, you need someone to manage your rental property. If you're going to rent out your real estate, someone needs to manage that property, someone needs to manage those tenants, someone needs to make sure that your tenants remain happy, someone needs to ensure that your tenants pay back your rent money every single month, and someone needs to give you money in order to be able to even acquire that rental property. Passive income is not passive. There's only 3 types of income: active income, leveraged income, and residual income. Now, those might interlink with each other, but there is a minor difference in every single one of those 3. Anyway, number 6, it takes time to develop passive income. And there's a reason why it takes time to develop passive income. It's because you need to put in the right people and systems in place in order for your business or whatever it is you're running to run itself. And to do that, you need to leverage other people and leverage systems in order for that to even occur. You see how all of these tips interlink together? I think it was number 3 or number 2 where I explained that in order to create passive income, leverage income, you need to leverage other people's time, other people's money, as well as systems. All 3 of those things need to be put together and somehow link together in order for you to even create passive income. Number 7, passive income does not always equal permanent income. I'll link this with affiliate marketing, because you could say affiliate marketing, once you learn the skills, you need to learn the skill first, is fairly easy. But the problem is, sure, you might have spammed your affiliate link that offers you commission when a person purchases a certain course or a certain product, and you get that 10 or 20% commission. You might spam that link to every single diet forum, diet website, or YouTube video that talks about diet. You might spam your link in all of those places, but sometime, whether it be a month from now, 6 months from now, you'll stop earning paychecks from those links that you've spammed all over the place, because sooner or later the people who would have purchased that product from that link would have already purchased the product, and guess what? Nobody else would have wanted to purchase the product. Or number 8, maximize your active income before looking into investing into leveraged income. Number 8, maximize your active income before even looking into investing your money into leveraged income. Because once your cup runneth over, then you take your juices and pour them into another cup. See, your business is like your baby, and only once your baby is grown and able to walk for themselves and has already finished college, if you believe in college. I believe in college if you're trying to get yourself a professional career, such as an accountant or a lawyer or a doctor, because I wouldn't want any of those 3 types of professions to work with me and help me if they didn't have the correct certificates in place. So I do believe college or university is important if you're trying to have a job that requires you to have a certificate. But anyway, let's return to number 8. Only once your business is able to walk on its own 2 feet, and you know how predictable your business is, and you're able to predict your business's next move and predict how much income your business will make for the next 6 months or 12 months, only then do you take money that you've been saving or wanting to invest into your business and invest it into other things such as real estate or stocks to earn dividends. Only once the cup runneth over do you take the money and put it into another cup. Number 9, your LIC, leveraged income calculator, and you only want to use this once you're ready to pour your juices into another cup. Now the LIC, leveraged income calculator, what does this talk about? This is having your leveraged income pay your bills. So your active income calculations for this is trying to ensure that your leveraged income pays all your bills, so that your earned income, your active income, the income you earn only when you wake up and go outside and grind, only that income, earned income, is used to be saved and reinvested into your leveraged income or reinvested into your business. See, the thing about this is that your leveraged income is very predictable, like your real estate, for example, your rental property. If I earn 10,000 Rand from my rental property, guess what? Next month, whether or not I went to work or whether or not I was working on my business, that 10,000 Rand will still get into my pocket. And that's why you want to ensure that your bills equal your leveraged income, or that your leveraged income is higher than your bills. And your earned income, the income you can only earn if you wake up and go out there and grind, is what you use to save and reinvest into either yourself with courses or books, educate yourself, or invest it into your business to help your business grow more, give your business some breathing room. Or the last one, number 3, investing it back into your leveraged income to ensure that your leveraged income is higher than your bills. The great thing about this is that if you want, the more you increase your leveraged income, the higher you can increase your bills, so long as your bills don't overtake your leveraged income. I'll go into more detail about the LIC in my next video. It's getting dark. There's no light coming in, so the video quality might be bad. So till I see you guys tomorrow, 𝐭𝐞𝐬𝐤.